hello. So it is officially time to start thinking of Christmas. I know Halloween just happened and we haven't even hit Thanksgiving, but most of you guys are just like me. We are a bargain shopper. We love to save money, plus we just love to shop. And I'm here to share with you guys some tips on how you guys can save some money. I've done this before, but you know what? As the years go on, the better you get, the more better you get at shopping. You know, you can't go wrong with that. So I just want to help you guys save some money for Black Friday. I'm going to kind of give you guys some tips and tricks that you guys can do. So first thing to do is start shopping early. I know some of you guys start shopping like right after Christmas. I do the same thing. I always live for clearance prices. I always live for stuff. I also like buying stuff way ahead of time. I just gotta find a spot for it, but I'd love to do that stuff. So that's the thing that we need to do, is just start thinking ahead. So what happened is over the next couple weeks, you're gonna see a lot of stores start saying Black Friday, Black Friday, Black Friday. Well, since COVID has happened, a lot of stores stopped doing like they used to do Black Friday deals like a day before Christmas or on Thanksgiving, I guess. And a lot of stores are doing that. A lot of stores are closed this Thanksgiving, but they're still going to do deals prior to Thanksgiving, and they're doing deals on Thanksgiving. Now, I know Walmart just released their ad, and they're actually having two sales. One in about a week, and then another one the week or the Friday of Black Friday or the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, which is nice. I love shopping on Black Friday, but last year I only went to Kohl's. Like I went to like Home Depot and Kohl's, but I hardly went to any stores because a lot of stores now just do everything beforehand. But I think this year's going to be changed. I think it's going to kind of go back to where it was, but it's still available a lot earlier to you. So how I prepare for Thanksgiving or Black Friday is I actually kind of get an idea of what my kids want, what my family wants. I give them, like, my kids get one of those catalogs at like Walmart and Target. We have a couple local stores, and I have them just circle stuff in there. I don't really look at those, but I just have them circle, like, what do you guys want? So they think they can, like, they think they're gonna get everything. My 4-year-old daughter thinks she's gonna get everything that she scans, but it's not always, or everything she circles, but it's not always the way. But I just kind of get them up, and then I kind of get ideas. Next thing I do is I follow a lot of social media. I follow, like, you know, people on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all that kind of stuff. I follow a lot of companies through social media. So especially Target. Target loves moms who shop early. Like right now, if you have the Target app, you want to get Target Circle, they have it where you can get one toy 25% off. I ended up getting my son an advent calendar because he really wanted it and I did not want to pay full price for it. So you have it. It's a one and done deal, but you have until like November 18th, I think, to do it. And then I also had a 5 off of 25, so I combined those, and that's one thing. So what you want to do is make sure you're checking those apps. With Target, they're having a daily deal every single day. I've been posting videos of every single daily deal because if you're looking for a specific item, that's a great way to do it. Another thing is, if you guys are looking at something and you think you have a great deal, save your receipts. I actually have a little thing where I'm saving all my receipts for anything I get for Christmas, because if it gets cheaper, I can always return it or do like a price adjustment or something like that. So make sure you guys are saving all your receipts for all the items that you are buying in case something goes cheaper. So like right now with Amazon, I've been watching my prices like crazy. So if I'm getting a gift, I still keep it in my wish list. Now I have an Amazon wish list. I go through that thing multiple times a day. I might have it for something for me, for something for somebody else, or just something for a gift. Most of the time Amazon will say there is something in your wish list that is on sale. Go for it. Go for it and get it. Now you can always check and see if you can return it. Most of the time you can. And one thing I do like about Amazon is if you do returns, I always choose Kohl's, and Kohl's gives me a coupon. There'll be times where I don't have a coupon, but I got a 15% off Kohl's coupon for returning something. I'm going to use that. And sometimes they also give you like a $5 coupon. So definitely check that out. But what I actually do is I have an app called Wish List. Is it called Wish List? It's called Gift List. But it's just like this, and all it is, it's just an app. So anybody who I'm shopping for, I put their name in here, and I've been really trying to keep track of how much I've been spending on everybody. But I put all of my friends, family, anybody who I am buying a gift for, I put it in here. And then what I've been doing is, as I buy them, I make a list of if I bought it, or and it also has it where you can, if you wrapped it or not. But I have a section where if I bought it, and then I can also put the price on there so that I can keep track of how much I spent on that person. Because some people have a budget on what they want. I've told you guys about this app multiple times, but this helps me stay focused. It helps me stay in budget, and it really does help me. So I've been really, you know, writing stuff down. I went shopping today. I went to a lot of stores today, so I'm gonna start like writing more things down for that. Again, with the Amazon wish list, I actually, you know, have my Amazon wish list, and I check it again multiple times, like I said. But this is something that you want to check. Now, they do price match a lot of stores, so if you guys are looking at something at like Target, check to see if Amazon has it, if you prefer to purchase stuff on Amazon. But I always am checking my prices, because some of this stuff is on sale, or some of it might have a coupon. So that's another thing to help you, is make sure you guys have a list to keep you organized. I know some people write it down. I have the app, and it just helps me stay on budget on what I bought for everybody. Plus then I'm like, oh, because there are times where I'm like, oh yeah, I totally forgot to give you a Christmas present, and then I'll give it to you another time. So there's that. When you do online shopping, you guys make sure you're using those cash back websites. I've told you guys this multiple times. There's Rakuten and there's Top Cash Back. So anytime I make any purchase online, through even if it's pictures with Walgreens, Shutterfly, if I'm buying something at Target online, if I'm buying something at Walmart online, even if I'm buying it online and I'm doing an in-store pickup, I always go to Rakuten and I always go to Top Cash Back, and it is a cashback website. So what you do is you go to that website, and it'll say, oh, you'll get 4% back when you purchase, you know, these items. I'm like, that's 4%. 4%. It's free money. I buy stuff from Michael's a lot. And I've gotten like 20 bucks one time just in one transaction, because it was like 15% cash back. And I always find out that Top Cashback is a little bit cheaper, or a little bit more cash back than I do with Rakuten. I do have links below for you guys, so if you guys join, you will get a bonus. But definitely check that out. Any online shopping that you do, even if you choose to do in-store pickup, make sure you're clicking those buttons to get free online cash back with that. Gift cards. You're going to see a lot of stores offer gift card deals. Now, I see some stores where if you like buy $100 worth of gift cards, you'll get like a $10 gift card. That's a great way to do it. So if you guys know you shop at that store and you can afford to buy those gift cards for yourself, definitely go ahead and do that. That is free money. My husband and I always see these like local food deals, and it's like if you buy $50 worth of gift cards, you'll get like a $20 gift card free. We do that. Even though we're not gifting that gift card to anybody, we're keeping it for ourselves, but why not? Food is getting expensive. Things are getting expensive. If you guys can like save money on gift cards, go ahead and do that. I know with like, I have a Pick and Save / Kroger. They don't do those deals as much, but they used to have a deal where if you like bought some gift cards, now it's like you get fuel points, which I don't really care about that. But like they have it where if you bought so much in gift cards, you get like something back. So definitely check that out. Check out stores. I know some other stores. I know like Target, they do have a Target gift card deal, usually sometime between now and Christmas, where if you bought I think it's where if you get like, if you buy a $100 gift card, you get like 10% off. I can't remember what it is exactly. I will post that video when it does pop up. But that's a great way to stock up. You know, buy the gift cards, even if they're not for gifts. Buy them for yourself as long as you're gonna use them. Some gift cards never expire, and some of the local ones do, but make sure you guys follow, you know, read the small print and see what it does. But get gift cards, even if they're for yourself and you're gonna use them. Like I see it where if you buy like, it's your favorite store and they have it where if you buy like a $100 gift card, you get like this free. Just buy the gift card, get that free, and then use that gift card, whatever. If you shop there enough, do it. It saves you money. You get something out of it. So yes. Another thing is there's a lot of apps that we use to get gift cards. You guys know Ibotta, where there's Fetch Rewards. We use Swagbucks. All that stuff is where if you purchase items, you get points back for purchasing specific items, and you get gift cards that you guys can use. Now, Fetch Rewards does take a couple days to get those gift cards. I know Ibotta is pretty instant. Swagbucks, some of it's instant and some of it you have to wait a couple days. So be prepared for that. One thing I have on my phone is I screenshot all of my gift cards, and I actually have a thing that says gift cards. So when I'm in a store and I have, like, some people don't have service on their phones, if I know I'm gonna spend at least 50 bucks, I'll get a $50 gift card through one of my apps, screenshot it, put it in this folder, so then when I go to that store, because not everybody has cell phone service, I already have it. It's already loaded on my phone, and then after I use it, I make sure I delete it. So that's another thing, is make sure you guys are using those apps to get, I know a lot of people save their money to get for Christmas. Another good thing is using the apps that you just scan your receipts. So I use Receipt Hog and Receipt Pal. I scan every single app or every single receipt. There's kind of been a slacking on that for a little bit, but I'm really trying to keep track. I have like a little, I gotta put it in my purse, but I've been scanning every receipt, because even though you get a couple points, those couple points add up to, like, you know, 50 cents. Then it adds up to $1. Then it adds up to 40 bucks. So I'm just saying, use that. I also use Amazon Shopper Panel. I've told you guys about that multiple times. There might be a wish list. I don't know why, but you get at least $10 just by scanning 10 receipts. So if you guys haven't figured that out, make sure you find that video. But I also use, for receipts, I've been using Receipt Jar, where I scan my receipts and I get money for that. And then I've been using Brand Club, where I get money back and they just send it to my PayPal. So you definitely be using those apps. I have videos for all that stuff to share with you guys on that. And make sure you are scanning your receipts. Now there's an app called Slick Deals. Slick Deals is where people just kind of, it's just like a forum where people post stuff. If you guys are in, like, the market for looking for something and you want something really badly, you can always go to this thing and type it. Now you gotta watch out for those dates, because some of those dates might be recent and some of them might be old. But for a while there, I was looking for like a Mario game. So anytime there's a deal that has the word Mario in it, I get a notification saying that there's this deal right here. Or like the Walmart or the Walgreens freebie photos. I actually have photos and I will get a notification saying, not always, but I always get like a notification. So if you're looking for specific deals, this is the way to go for that. Then there is the website, blackfriday.com. Now make sure you guys go to that website and make sure you sign up for their email. I sign up every single year, because anytime an ad comes out, they will email you the ad. So right now they do have some Black Friday ads out, but a lot of them are pre-Black Friday ads, but they're coming out. So if you guys are looking for it, like, the newspaper is just not as what it used to be anymore. And I like to shop way ahead. So that's one thing, is make sure you guys are signed up on blackfriday.com for their emails so you guys can get notifications. You don't get a notification for every store, but make sure you're checking that out. I also follow them on social media, but I'm always keeping my eyes out for certain things, you know. But that's just a way to help you guys save money. I know everybody does their own thing, but I just kind of do this stuff. It's pretty much my phone. My phone is my life. Like, I use my phone so much that I have barely enough memory, but I want a new phone, but you know, it's just kind of expensive. But I just want to help you guys save some money this year for Christmas shopping, just for Christmas in general, so you guys kind of have an idea on how to save money, how to do this and how to do that. But I hope you guys have an awesome holiday shopping season. Make sure you guys are following me. I will do Black Friday sorry, somebody's texting me. I will be doing Black Friday ad previews for a lot of the main stores. I like to help you guys save some money. I will be posting deals here and there. So make sure you guys follow me on my YouTube channel. And then if you guys want, you can also follow me on my other social medias, TikTok, Instagram. I might be posting little posts on there. But I just want to help you guys save money. I want to help you guys have an awesome shopping holiday experience. And let's just have fun shopping. So you guys have an awesome holiday, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.